You can earn airline miles, cashback, or points simply for enjoying a favorite restaurant meal or grabbing takeout. With a dining credit card, you can exchange points for a variety of rewards, redeem miles for travel, or get cash or statement credits. Card number 1, Discover It. Cashback. Discover It. Cashback features a high rewards rate on categories that rotate every quarter, which requires some work on your part. You'll earn 5% cash back on everyday purchases at different places. You shop each quarter like grocery stores, restaurants, gas stations, and more, up to the quarterly maximum when you activate. This card doesn't offer some of the benefits that come standard with other credit cards, including extended warranty coverage and rental car insurance. However, as a cardholder, you have zero liability fraud protection, free access to your FICO credit score, and alerts if your social security number shows up on a risky website. If someone steals your credit card or you lose it, you can freeze your account from your mobile app or online account, plus get free delivery for your replacement card. When you have a card with rotating bonus categories, it requires you to spend strategically and stay on top of managing your card if you want to earn the most rewards possible. This rewards structure may benefit you more in some quarters than others. Savvy cardholders sometimes pair the card with another one that has a higher base rewards rate, such as the Chase Freedom Unlimited card, which earns unlimited $200 cashback. If you use Discover It, cashback for its bonus categories and the second card for everything else, you can maximize rewards on all of your spending. The Discover It cashback card with its top earning categories can work well for a certain type of cardholder. Someone who has a few cards in their wallet so they can strategically choose the one that offers the best rewards for a given purchase. You'll have to be disciplined enough to remember to activate the quarterly categories and try not to revolve balances to avoid paying interest. If you prefer a more hands-off approach to earning cash back, you may be better served with a flat-rate cashback card, like the Chase Freedom Unlimited card that provides the same earnings rate across all purchases. Card number 2, Delta Sky Miles. Blue American Express card. The Delta Sky Miles. Blue American Express card can be a valuable card for restaurant spending and travel, especially since it has a $0 annual fee, but other travel cards offer broader rewards categories. The annual percentage rate ranges from 20.24% to 29.24% variable. If you usually carry a balance, this may not be the card for you. The Delta Sky Miles. Blue American Express card is a good entry-level card to try out if you love flying Delta and want to increase your Sky Miles earning ability. It will help you earn more Sky Miles if you use it for restaurant spending and when you book Delta flights. Keep in mind that you'll also get cardholder benefits, including car rental loss and damage insurance, and purchase protection, plus 20% back on qualifying purchases made on Delta-operated flights. If you prefer to fly Delta, but only travel a couple of times per year, the no annual fee Delta Sky Miles. Blue American Express card is worth checking out. It can help you offset the cost of air travel, especially if you can earn 10,000 bonus miles after you spend $1,000 in purchases on your new card in your first 6 months. More frequent Delta flyers may be better served with the next card level up, the Delta Sky Miles Gold American Express card. It has a $0 introductory annual fee for the first year, then $150. But cardholder perks such as a free first-checked bag can be well worth it. Use the Delta Sky Miles Blue American Express card for all of your restaurant purchases, and when you book Delta flights, since you earn 2 times miles per dollar at restaurants worldwide, plus takeout and delivery in the U.S. Earn 2 times miles per dollar spent on Delta purchases, and 1 times mile on all other eligible purchases. For other spending, you might be better off using another card that has a base rate higher than the 1 mile per dollar you'll get on this card. Also try to earn the welcome offer, which can give you a boost of Sky Miles to kickstart your airfare savings. Card number 3, Amazon Visa Credit Card. The Amazon Visa offers rewards on everyday purchases, including Amazon.com, Amazon Fresh, Whole Foods Market, dining, transit, and at U.S. gas stations, all with no annual fee. Plus, you earn more when you book travel through Chase Travel. Redeem rewards on Amazon.com or for cashback, gift cards, or travel. While the Amazon Visa doesn't earn the top-tier rewards the Prime Visa does, it's a good option if you want Amazon rewards but don't want to splurge for a Prime membership. The Amazon Visa card earns the most rewards when used for Amazon or Whole Foods purchases, so it's a good idea to use this card when you shop on Amazon or in any Hilton Honors. American Express Card. With a $0 annual fee and no foreign transaction fee, the Hilton Honors American Express card can be a valuable credit card for travelers who prefer to stay at Hilton hotels and resorts. Cardholders earn 7 times Hilton Honors bonus points for each dollar of eligible purchases charged on your card directly with hotels and resorts within the Hilton portfolio. Earn 5x points per dollar on purchases at U.S. restaurants, at U.S. supermarkets, and at U.S. gas stations. Earn 3 times points for all other eligible purchases on your card. You can also earn 80,000 Hilton Honors bonus points after you spend $2,000 in purchases on the Hilton Honors American Express card in your first 6 months of card membership. The Hilton Honors American Express card also comes with complimentary Hilton Honors Silver status. This provides a 20% points bonus on hotel stays, your 5th night free on reward stays, 2 free bottles of water upon arrival at select hotels, and the ability to roll over extra nights for future stays. Silver status can be upgraded to Gold if you spend $20,000 on eligible purchases in a single calendar year. The Hilton Honors American Express card offers impressive rewards and benefits for a card with a 0 annual fee, so it's a good idea to take advantage of those. You can earn 80,000 Hilton Honors bonus points after you spend $2,000 in purchases on the Hilton Honors American Express card in your first 6 months of card membership. You'll also get Hilton Honors Silver status, which you can use to get your 5th night free on reward stays and earn a 20% bonus on stays. You frequently stay at Hilton brand hotels. You can get a lot of value from the Hilton Honors American Express card. With the ability to earn 80,000 Hilton Honors bonus points and 7 points per dollar spent at Hilton hotels and resorts, the card may be a good option if you want to earn Hilton points with no annual fee. You might get more value from the Hilton Honors American Express Surpass card or the Hilton Honors American Express Aspire card, which offer greater rewards and benefits than the Hilton Honors American Express card, but charge annual fees. Or, if you're not loyal to Hilton, you might prefer the flexibility of a no annual fee travel rewards card, like Capital One Venture. One Rewards credit card, which earns rewards you can redeem for travel with many airlines and hotels, not just Hilton brands. The fastest way to earn points is to use the Hilton Honors American Express card at Hilton properties and at U.S. supermarkets, U.S. restaurants, and U.S. gas stations, all of which earn bonus points with the card. Cardholders earn 7 times Hilton Honors bonus points for each dollar of eligible purchases charged on your card directly with hotels and resorts within the Hilton portfolio. Earn 5x points per dollar on purchases at U.S. restaurants, at U.S. supermarkets, and at U.S. gas stations. Earn 3 times the points for all other eligible purchases on your card. With the Hilton Honors American Express card, you earn 80,000 Hilton Honors bonus points after you spend $2,000 in purchases on the Hilton Honors American Express card in your first 6 months of card membership. This card has a low spending requirement to earn the introductory offer compared with other cards offering a similar introductory bonus value. Card number 5. Costco Anywhere. Visa Card by Citi. Frequent Costco. Wholesale shoppers may find value in the Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi. Some credit cards exclude wholesale club purchases from the grocery bonus rewards category, but the Costco Anywhere Visa Card by Citi can help fill that gap. Cardholders can earn 5% cash back rewards on gas at Costco and earn 4% cash back on other eligible gas and electric vehicle (EV) charging purchases for the first $7,000 combined spend per year, and then 1% thereafter. 3% cash back on restaurants and eligible travel purchases and eligible travel, including Costco travel. 2% cash back on all other purchases from Costco and Costco.com. 1% cash back on all other purchases. A Costco membership is required to apply, but the card charges a $0 annual fee with that paid membership. Cashback is provided as an annual credit card reward certificate after your statement closes each February and is redeemable for cash or merchandise at Costco in the U.S. Costco loyalists can use the card for every trip they make to the warehouse store, but you can also earn strong rewards on gas, dining, and travel. Just remember that the rewards will accumulate all year and be paid out as one lump sum that can be cashed or used as Costco store credit. You could use that rewards payment in a variety of ways, whether it's to book a trip through Costco Travel, stock up on home staples, or invest the cash amount. The card also has some travel benefits and consumer protections, including travel accident insurance, roadside assistance, and damage and theft protection, so take advantage of those as needed. If you